In this video, I'm going to be showing you several apps that generate videos and images for free. You'll be able to use models like Seedance 2.0, Clean AI, and other top models and unlimited. And these apps are available in your mobile phone. I will show you how you can access all these mobile apps in your PC. So if you have a PC, bring it out. If you have your phone, bring it out. So guys, bring your phone and let's do this. But before we start, let's install an extension that will enable you to use this mobile app in your mobile phone. You need an emulator, and I'm going to be introducing to you this particular emulator you need to install in your extension. So let me walk you through step by step on how you can do that. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to your Chrome browser and search for BlueStacks. I will recommend this one. Click on it and download it into your system. Now once it finishes downloading, just like you're seeing here, it's going to be in this kind of format. You need to install it in your system, in your PC. Now once you click on it, it will open and you're going to start the process of installation. You have to wait for it in a short while. Let's say 10 seconds. Once that is done downloading, you need to sign up to your Play Store. That is, we want to access your mobile Play Store. So sign up to your Play Store. Okay, once you sign up, go ahead and search for this first app. We are going to be looking at is Tinker by Shopify. Open it once it's done downloading. And of course, select your email you want to use, agree, and of course, go ahead and enter into the interface and start generating. Now you can see we have Seedance. We'll be using Seedance for this. You can actually upload a reference image if you have one, but I'm going to just create a simple thing for you to see that it is still working. So I'm going to just give a simple prompt, right? Text to video prompt. You can use video to image to video, any one of your choice. Select your aspect ratio, select your duration, and set all your settings. Make everything to be right. Turn on your audio, very important, and go ahead and generate. Now guys, it will start processing, and in no time, the result is here. Right, so clear. Go ahead and download this. I went on and generated another video to prove to you that it's still working. You can see the quality, very amazing. I even went on. So you see, go ahead and use this. And not just that, I used a human face and it came out. So I'm going to leave the link of the video on how you can use this platform to generate using a reference image that won't get rejected, all right, by the platform, because not all images are accepted by this platform. So the next app we'll be looking at is a GenV. Install it from your Play Store and open it. The same thing, this platform offers you diverse models. You're going to see a lot of models there, not just Grok. You have other. For you to use Grok on this platform, you have to upgrade to their premium plan. But we have Google View 3.1 Fast and Google View 3.1 Lite. So go ahead and select any one. Let's see what the image quality and the video quality looks like on this platform. Of course, go ahead and give a simple prompt. I went on to give a simple prompt, selected my aspect ratio and everything. But hey, here is the down part on this platform. You need to be patient. You can literally upload a reference image as your first frame and your last frame be on this platform. So you can see, start using it from now. And the down part of this platform is you need to be, before you can download these videos, okay, after generating, you need to be patient and watch a short ad. Okay, this ad is not going to take long time, just a short ad that will play and you just watch it and then you download it. This is free as of today, so jump on it and use it. Guys, let me know what you think about this second platform in the comment section of this video. Are you still using them? But wait, all these videos you are downloading, you won't see them in your folder in your PC. Do you know why? It is being saved in your simulator. I will show you how you can move them to your PC. That is if you are using your PC to do this. But if you are using your mobile phone, it is saved directly to your gallery. So guys, let's proceed. This app we'll be looking at is a PixVerse. Guys, this app offers you 60 free credits upon your first sign up, and I will show you other means you can literally claim other credits to add up to what you already have and keep generating. And on this platform we have all the models of your choice, but we are going to be using the free models on this platform to show you that the quality is insane. And of course, go ahead and select your preferred email that you want to use. Once you know that, you fill on your details. Okay, put on your name, the date of birth, right, and other requirements from here and get started. Okay, now once you click there, you're going to see you'll be given 60 credits automatically, and you can see you can generate images, videos, and all of that. So click on that, you're going to see some of the bonuses, okay, and daily rewards. So daily rewards, I've gotten daily logins, and to download the app you need to claim it. Once you download this app now into your mobile phone or into your PC, you'll be able to claim additional 30 free credits. And you see, you can invite your friends, and then you also have additional credits. So guys, go ahead and try this out. Let's go ahead and create something, and let's see what the quality looks like. You can literally use image to video by uploading your own preferred images, right? But here I'm going to show you how you can use text to video. So go ahead and try this. I don't want to take a lot of your time, so that's why I have to just let's use text to video, and they give a simple prompt, and here is the result. So guys, for the watermark that is in the video, in this particular video, the other two do not have watermark, but this one has a watermark. So what you need to do, simply, I'm going to leave the link on how you can remove this watermark from these videos, okay, in the description of this video. So try it out and let me know. And then you guys, so if you've watched it this time, let me know what you think about these platforms that I have shared with you. I tried these platforms and I tested it countless times with different prompts and different images, and it came out so clean. For other ones, I'll be leaving the link in the description, so go ahead and watch. Even $AI app is available on this platform, that you can literally search it and then download it and use it. All right, then how to use the $AI so that you don't get flagged by any of the image. I've left the link in this comment section. Make sure you watch the video so you can get it done yourself. Say you are done with all the apps, okay, all your apps. So if you want to go back to Play Store, you click here and then go back to Play Store. So each time you want to access your mobile app, okay, your app, the mobile version, like the mobile app, make sure that you open your BlueStacks app, okay. Now, once you open that app, you're going to see all your apps here and start using them. So if let's say you want to, because those videos you downloaded did not enter into your device, okay. So let's say you want to go home. You can always click on this home button, okay, and go back home to turn you back here. So let's say you want to, of course, have access to those videos you downloaded. Okay, click on this media. All right. Once you click on this media manager, it's going to open up like this, and all the all the videos you downloaded, the pictures and everything is going to appear here. You can see here, right? Now use export to Windows. Okay, export to Windows. Once you click export to Windows, it's going to highlight, and then of course you tick all the ones, you select all the ones you want to move to your, and then after that click on this export to Windows, and that's all. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you, and guys, until then, see you in the next one.